You all must have heard of Playa de las Americas, one of Tenerife's most famous spots. Today we'll be exploring what this place has to offer. The south side of Tenerife, especially this area, is well known for its stunning beaches, so we kick things off at Playa del Caisson. Super chilled, stunning views and plenty of space for everyone to comfortably find their spot on the sand. Small restaurants dotted around the promenade, serving food and drinks just top off that tropical beach experience. The road behind the promenade is where the shopping of Playa de las Americas is found, and of course more restaurants, but we'll be exploring this area further later on in the video. From here it is only a short walk to the Playa de las Americas beach, and on the way we came across a lot of surfers, which probably means that it is a popular activity on the island. The walk from here to Playa de las Americas is honestly one of the best parts and experiences, especially over sunset. The water's crystal clear and you will see everything from paddleboarders to full-on beach volleyball matches. Then you get to Playa de las Americas. It is like a whole other island, full of energy, but here the beach is actually mostly rocky, which is why there's such a big contrast. We have also made a video exploring the whole island, which you can find by clicking on the link in the top right corner above. So we made it to the OA Beach Club just in time for the sunset, and wow, this place is amazing. The view here is absolutely unreal, but don't do the same mistake that we did and forget your sunglasses. You've got a front row seat to the ocean, cocktails flowing, chilled music in the background. What more could you possibly ask for? It's one of those spots you just don't want to leave. During the evenings it is relatively busy, so if you're planning on visiting with a larger group, it's probably worth considering pre-booking this beach bar. Seeing the sunset with a drink in hand and some snacks is a whole experience in itself. As the sun hid behind the clouds, we continued to walk down the Playa de las Americas promenade. Restaurants and bars quickly get full, people walking the promenade and enjoying the sunset. Along this strip, you'll come across countless bars, restaurants and even a few shops. Our recommendation for the restaurants would be to just have a look on Google reviews before making your choice, as there are plenty of restaurants on this strip. In regards to prices, they do vary from place to place, but as a whole, the differences aren't too crazy. As it gets dark, the neon starts popping. We headed towards the Hard Rock. It's kind of a landmark here. Music's louder, the streets are busier, and everything just shifts into nighttime mode. You can feel the party starting. Heading from the beach into the town, there are lots of shops that you'll go past, but it is only a short walk, so if you're planning on doing any souvenir shopping, this is your chance. But the walk itself is very pleasant, with wide pedestrian walking zones and palm trees swinging on either side. Opposite the Hard Rock, there is the Safari Shopping Centre, one of the most famous shopping centres in Tenerife, offering shopping on the ground floor and restaurants and bars on the first. The Hard Rock, just as any other Hard Rock, is of course music themed, and it is very busy. So if you're hungry, you've got many options. The lit up water fountains also add to the experience. There's a lot to actually see here. So on the ground floor of the shopping centre there are plenty of shops, and on the first floor there are restaurants offering worldwide cuisine, from sushi to Italian to tapas. Pretty much anything you can think of, you'll find. After all of these bars and restaurants, now let's talk nightlife. Playa de las Americas is known for its nightlife scene. And of course, it is the most famous spot for nightlife Tenerife. Bars are usually packed, music's booming, but we did notice that it is quite empty up until around midnight, and after midnight is when it starts to pick up. So the further we are in the night, the more lively it becomes. There are so many options here for different tastes. There are chilled rooftop bars, lounges, nightclubs, you name it. We even saw people dancing in the street even though it was still early, so everybody is here for a good time. Some of the more popular spots are Jumping Jacks, of course the Revolution, and the Tramps nightclub. So it is no secret to anybody that the strip in Playa de las Americas is very vibrant and has a lot to offer. And while we're speaking of activities and entertainments, La Rocas is one of the few beach clubs in Tenerife. If you have already done your research, you would have noticed that there isn't a great choice for beach clubs in Tenerife, but with La Rocas, you won't need to find another one. As La Rocas is still new, it is gaining popularity, but it is very, very busy, so it is always a good idea to pre-book when you're visiting. There are a few different types of beds that you can book, so have a look on their website for more information. The beach club offers stunning food, drinks, and amazing views over the ocean, of course with the sunset as well. And there is also a live DJ just adding to that beach tropical vibe. So La Rocas is also a place that we recommend adding to your list when visiting Tenerife. So it is apparent that Playa de las Americas has stunning beaches to worldwide cuisine and vibrant nightlife. If you're already planning ahead for your summer holidays, take a look at our channel, as we have covered some of the more popular destinations in Europe. We do have loads of new content coming, so make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time.